Hello students, in today's session, NCERT Chapter 7, Class 12 Physics, topic alternating current, very basics will be cleared through illustration. In today's session, we are going to discuss what is mean value, what is RMS value, how they are related, what is form factor, what is the frequency of AC in India, what is the angular frequency of AC in India, and number of points which will be very useful for CBSE purpose, NEET exams and JEE exams. Please go through the complete session, right? Now let's start with the concept in question. Concept regarding alternating current, or you can say EMF. Mean or average value of AC over any half cycle. Be careful, not full cycle, over any half cycle. Defined as the value of constant current which sends the same amount of, one term is heat, one term is charge. One is heat, one is charge. In this case it is heat, in this case it is charge, through a circuit in half cycle time as sent by AC through the same circuit at the same time, right? What is RMS value? It is defined as is the value of constant current which would produce the same amount of heat, in a given resistance in a given time as is produced by the AC through the same resistance and same time during the complete cycle. This is for complete cycle, this is for half cycle. I naught, I mean equal to twice I naught over pi. On simplification, this comes out to be 0.637 I naught. I naught is peak current. I equal to I naught sine of omega t. Sinusoidal. And I RMS equal to I naught by root 2. That is 0.707 I naught. Right? The value is given here. Graph is given here. This is the sine wave. This is the peak value. This is the RMS value. One is average value. Right? This is the graph is also given to you here. Now, what is the form factor? The ratio of RMS value and average value is known as a form factor. Form factor. I RMS upon I average. That is I naught by root 2 upon 2 I naught over pi. On simplification, this comes out to be 1.11. This comes out to 1 point. Form factor of AC is 1.11. Regarding alternate current, certain points are given here which are very important. Equation of current can be written sine or cosine. Cosine में भी लिख सकते हैं, sine में भी लिख सकते हैं. To produce alternating current, EMF should be alternating. Alternating EMF can be represented by E equal to E naught sine omega t or cos 1. Phi 1 or phi r phase difference. It is a phase difference. Alternating current is produced by dynamo, or you can say electronic oscillator. Frequency of AC in India is 50 Hertz. That is, so omega 2 pi will be equal to 100 pi 2 pi f, that is 100 pi radian per second. AC can be converted to DC with the help of rectifier, but DC into AC with the help of inverter. With the help of inverter. It cannot produce chemical effects of current such as electroplating or electrolysis as due to large ions. They cannot follow the frequency of AC. Frequency of AC cannot be followed by the ions. It can be stepped up or stepped down with the help of transformer. Why DC cannot be? It is measured by hot wire ammeter. It has four values. One is instantaneous. One is peak. One is RMS. One is mean. Right? Average value of current for full cycle. Initial definition हमने कहा था for half cycle. For half cycle. RMS is for full cycle and mean is for half cycle. Average value during positive half cycle is 0.637 I naught, that is twice I naught over pi. On simplification we get this. And during negative half cycle, this is positive half cycle, this is the negative half cycle. Minus 0.6. So over full cycle it becomes 0. Right? Now let's start with the questions. Question is, if the current in an AC circuit is represented by the equation I equal to 5 sine 300t minus pi by 4, where t is in seconds, I is in amperes. Calculate peak and RMS value of current, frequency of AC, average current. Then, concept applicable. I equal to I naught sine of omega t plus minus pi naught. This is the initial phase. This at t equal to 0, it is at 0 or some advance or lagging. Omega is the angular frequency. That is equal to 2 pi f. I naught is the peak current. And I is the instantaneous current. Now I peak, that is the peak value of current, and I RMS is I naught by root 2, that is 0.707, 70.7% of the peak current. I average or mean, that is 2 I naught over pi, that is 0.637 I naught, that is 63.7% of the peak current. Means I RMS is greater than I average. And form factor is, already discussed. I RMS, I average comes out to 1.11, that is known as a form factor. Now, question is, I equal to 5 sine of 300t minus pi by 4. We have to find part A. Peak current I naught will be equal to 5 ampere. I naught will be equal to 5 ampere. RMS value will be equal to I RMS will be equal to 0.707 into 5. On simplification, this comes out to be 3.535 ampere. B part. You have to find B part, frequency of AC. The frequency of AC. So omega is 300. So 2 pi f equal to 300. F equal to 300 divided by 2 pi. On simplification, this comes out to be 47.75 hertz, or you can say second per second. C part. C part is average current. I average, that is equal to 0.637 of I naught, that is 0.637 into 5. On simplification, this comes out to be 3.18, right? Ampere. This is all about the peak value instantaneous. किसी particular time पे चाहिए, so we put the value of t here and find the answer. That will be the instantaneous one, right? Next question. Before start of the other question, I would like to say this: the videos available on Satisfied YouTube channel, which are concept killing videos. Concept killing videos, very, very useful for +1, +2, NEET, JEE, and other exams. Very, very useful. Please review it on Satisfied. इसी के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल Satisfied सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज subscribe it and share with the colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is sinusoidal light graph is shown in this one. Find the average value of I in the interval t by 2 to t and t by 4 to 3t by 4. Now, concept applicable in solution. I equal to I naught sine of omega t. Average value is given by area of IT graph in the interval t1 to t2 divided by time interval. That is the time interval, right? Now, this is I dt t1 to t2 divided by the tt t1 to t2. This concept is applicable here. I dt is charge. Yes. Now, question we have to find the mean value of t by 2 to t. I average t by 2 to t will be equal to lower limit t, upper limit t by 2. That is that comes out to be I naught sine of omega t dt, because the given graph is sinusoidal. Upon dt t by 2 t, right? Now, I naught is constant taken common, sine omega t integration minus cos omega t divided by omega, minus upon omega taken outside, cos of omega t by 2 to t divided by t by 2 t. On simplification, I average comes out to be minus I naught over 2 pi by t. नीचे वाला होगा t by 2 into cos of omega t by 2 t. On simplification, this comes out to be t minus t by 2, t by 2. Right? This goes minus I naught upon pi. Upper limit, cos of 2 pi upon t. Omega can be written as 2 pi by t into t minus lower limit, cos of 2 pi by t into t by 2. Right? Then minus I naught upon pi. This goes cos 2 pi minus cos pi. Right? On simplification, minus I naught over pi. This is 1 minus 1. Cos pi is closed. Minus 2 I naught upon pi. That is minus 0.637 I naught. This is a half cycle, negative half cycle. Actually, this is for negative half cycle. The answer is this one. Average value. Because you know, average already did it for half cycle, not for complete cycle. Complete cycle, it is answer is 0. This was for negative half cycle. So we find it out, minus 0.63 into I naught, right? Now, to find this one, we use the symmetry concept. We have to find the area of B part. This is one. This is a positive. This is a negative. Positive half equal to negative half. Therefore, average value of current will be 0. Or if you want to find out, you apply this formula. Answer will be 0. Right? Next question. Question is on multiple choice question. First two questions are on assertion and reason. These are the 5 possible option of answer. Both reason are true and reason is correct expression of the assertion. If both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct expression of the assertion. See, this is true, false, false, true. Both are false. A, B, C, D, we have to pick up one of the correct answer in the first two questions. Average value of the current the given graph is in 6 seconds is 3 ampere. This is the graph. I average will be equal to area under IT curve in time interval of 6 seconds divided by the time interval of 6 seconds. That is equal to, it is square 4 into 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here is there. Plus 1 by 2. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 3. 1 by 2. 4 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 2. 4 into 1 divided by 6 seconds. ये 1 का हो गया, ये 2 का हो गया, ये 3 का हो गया, 4 का हो गया, 5 का हो गया. This comes out to be 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 6. Thus 18 divided by 6, that is 3 ampere. Means this is correct answer. Average value cannot be greater than the peak value. This is also the correct statement because I average or mean equal to 0.636 of peak value of peak. This is a relation. But region is not this. So I think answer should be A or B, which is the correct answer? If both assertion and region are true, both are true. Region is not correct. Region is not correct. So answer is B. Correct answer is B. B option is correct. Next question. An AC can be transmitted over long distances without much power loss. Yes, this is correct. As heat losses are I square RT. Now, in power transformer, we can be increased or decreased. PP equal to PS. Primary side power equal to secondary side power, and voltage is increased for long distance transmission. Therefore, I decreases. Therefore, heat losses decreases. Right? An AC can be stepped up or down with the help of transformer. This is correct. This is correct, and this is the correct region. A is the correct answer. A option is correct. Right. Next question. Question is, a complex current wave is given by I equal to 5 plus 5 sin 100t ampere. Its average value over one cycle. This is a combination of constant current, that is 5 ampere, and sinusoidal current. Sinusoidal current 5 sin 100t. Its average over one cycle. Its average over one cycle equal to 0. That is equal to half cycle. Right? Therefore, 5 plus 0, that is 5 ampere. B is the second part is the correct option. Second part is correct option. Second part is correct option. Right? Next question. In a certain circuit, current changes with time according to I equal to 2 root T. Root mean square value of current between IT equal to 2 to T equal to 4 seconds. RMS square will be equal to I square dt 2 to 4 divided by 2 to 4 dt. Simplifying I square, so substituting the values, so this comes out to 2 square 4, 4 taken outside, t 2 to 4 dt upon t 2 to 4. This comes out to 4 t square by 2. 2 to 4 divided by 4 minus 2. 2, 16 minus 4 divided by 2. That is 12 ampere square. Therefore, IRMS equal to under root 12 ampere. That is 2 root 3 ampere. This is the answer. Option 3 is correct. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SETI Shift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.